Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to play Vita Mahjong with the friends using your phone. Let's get started. First, open your app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. To play with the friends, make sure you need Wi-Fi or mobile data turned on. On the main menu, look for a button that says Friend, Invite Friend or Multiple Player. Tap it to open the play section. If your friend is already on your Vita Mahjong friend list, just tap their name. If not, use the add friend option, usually by entering the player ID or username and send invite. Once your friend accepts, choose the layout or puzzle you both want to play. Tap start or play now. You will be both join the same game board and compete or cooperate to clear tiles. And that's it. Now you know how to play Vita Mahjong with your friends on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.